Hello and welcome to JNT Creator YouTube channel. In this video I will show you another logic controller in JMeter, recording controller. Also we will see HTTPS test script recorder in action. Let's jump right in. First of all, let's understand what is the HTTPS test script recorder and why do we need it. JMeter has this feature that allows you to record and create test scripts by capturing HTTP or HTTPS requests. Let me show you how it works. Open JMeter and create new test plan. I got it right here. Let's add thread group to the test plan. Do the right click, add threads, thread group. Then do the right click on the test plan and add non-test elements, HTTPS test script recorder. You can see we have start, stop, restart options here, and very important field as 8888 port right here in global settings. To capture our request, we need to set up this port number as a proxy port number to our browser. In this case, JMeter will capture and record HTTP requests. Today I will use Firefox browser. Then we need to add controller itself. Let's do the right click on the thread group, add logic controller, recording controller, and change the name to the JNT main. We're going to use my personal website. Then let's do the same, add logic controller, recording controller, and change the name to JNT get visa, which is my application. Also, we can add two listeners for HTTP test script recorder to see reports. Let's do the right click, add listener. First one is going to be view results tree, and the second, add listener. Let's add view results in table. Now we need to open a browser proxy. How can we do it? In Firefox, go to settings, right here, settings. We have this find in settings field. Let's type network settings and click settings right here. So by the default, we have this radio button set up to use system proxy settings. We need to change it to manual proxy configuration. We have two fields, HTTP proxy and port number. So by default, it's going to be empty field right here and right here. This checkbox is going to be set up to as an empty one. So in HTTP proxy, let's type localhost. And in port, let's type 8888. This number we're getting from our JMeter from this field. So this port number is supposed to be the same. Then click OK. Then we need to add a certificate from JMeter bin folder. So I get my JMeter, Apache JMeter folder on the desktop. If I open bin, I will have the Apache JMeter certificate, ca.crt. So we need to add this file in Firefox. Let's type in the same field on top and find in settings, certificate. And as you can see, we have the button view certificates. We have this import button here. All you need to do is just to find this Apache JMeter root ca.crt file and import it here. I already have it installed, that's why I'm not gonna do it. And press OK and apply. Alright, perfect. Now we can close our Firefox browser. In JMeter, let's click on HTTPS test script recorder, and we have this target controller. As a default, it's set up to use recording controller, but we need to click once. And we have two actions here. First one is JNT main, and second one is JNT get visa. So let's choose first one, JNT main. Click on that, then save and start recording by clicking this start button right here. Right here we just need to click OK. Recording started. Then we can open the Firefox browser and simply go to jntcreator.com. After the page is loaded, we can come back to JMeter and stop recording by clicking this stop right here. So in JMeter, if we click on JNT main, if we click on this button right here, we have a bunch of actions saved under the main and in our reports. Let's do the same with our second page. which is my application GetVisa. Change target controller to GetVisa, and let's start again. So we have this HTTP script recorder. In target controller, let's change get GNT main to GNT GetVisa, and simply go start. Hit OK again. Then on my personal website, just scroll down, and on the GetVisa, click on the plus. We see this page was loaded, and then we can hit stop again. As you can see, we have reports of all the events that are recorded from client side to the server side. Now we're finished with recording controllers, and we need to change the settings in Firefox back to normal. For this purpose, we need to go back to Firefox, click on Settings right here, then type Network Settings, Settings button, and from Manually Proxy Configuration, we just need to change it to Use System Proxy Settings. Then click OK. Now we can close the browser. If you have any questions, you can always leave a comment below. If you like this video, please hit your thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It was JNT Creator. See you in new videos. Bye.